today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Monarch Money app, a powerful tool designed to help you manage your personal finances. This beginner's tutorial will guide you through the important features of the app, ensuring you can make the most of its capabilities. Let's dive in and transform your financial management with confidence and ease. First, open your browser and head over to the Monarch dashboard. This is your home base where you can get an overview of your financial situation at a glance. It's designed to be intuitive, providing key insights into your finances. From here, take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout, noticing where your accounts, transactions, and reports are displayed. Next, let's explore the Accounts section. In this area, you can link all your financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, into one unified view. By having all your financial data in one place, you'll be able to monitor your balances and track your financial progress efficiently. Adding an account is simple. Just follow the on-screen prompts and ensure you have your login details ready for each account you want to link. Once your accounts are set up, you can add transactions to keep track of your spending. Adding transactions manually allows you to record events that might not automatically appear, such as side hustles or cash purchases. Keeping this information updated ensures that the app delivers accurate budgeting and reporting insights. This meticulous attention to detail will provide a clearer picture of your cash flow. The cash flow section is a great spot to visualize your incoming and outgoing funds. It's like a dynamic chart that shows how money flows through each account and category. By regularly checking your cash flow, you can identify spending patterns and make informed decisions on where to cut back or if you have extra room to invest. Speaking of reports, the app offers comprehensive financial reports. These reports break down your spending into categories, giving you a deeper understanding of where your money goes each month. With this information, you can pinpoint unnecessary expenditures and adjust your budget to align with your financial goals. With all this data at hand, creating a budget becomes much more straightforward. The budgeting tool in Monarch Money lets you set limits for each category, making it easy to stay on track. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about ensuring you have enough for the things that matter most. Additionally, you can oversee recurring expenses, such as subscriptions or utility bills, in the recurring section. This ensures you never miss a payment, helping you avoid late fees and maintain a smooth financial routine. To ensure you're working towards your future objectives, the app also allows you to set financial goals, whether it's saving for a house, vacation, or retirement. The goals feature helps you track progress, adjust your strategy, and stay motivated. If you're looking to grow your wealth, check out the investment section. Here, you can monitor your portfolio's performance and ensure your investments align with your long-term financial goals. It's an invaluable tool for aspiring and seasoned investors alike. Lastly, make use of the app's advice feature. It offers personalized tips and recommendations, helping you make informed decisions based on your financial situation. By utilizing these insights, you're not just managing your money, you're actively elevating your financial literacy. So, there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of the Monarch Money app. With this powerful tool at your fingertips, managing your finances